In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I was able to fix game chat not working on my PS5. So what I had to do firstly is that on my PS5 controller, I had to click on the PS logo right here, as you can see. So just click here, and then we need to click on sound right here actually, and make sure that your output device is correct. So I'm using my headset here, so I had to actually change to this one. Make sure also that you don't have this one, mute game voice chat enabled. Disable this one is very important. And this one isn't really that important, so we can skip this one and then go back to this page right here. So now when you're on this page, you're going to click on settings here, and then you're going to scroll down and click on system, and then system software and system software update and settings. Make sure that this one is up to date. If it's not, just click on it and click on update using internet, and then you will be able to update your PS5 in a matter of minutes or seconds if you are really lucky. And now what you need to do after that is to go back to this page right here and click on users and accounts. Then click on other and restore licenses. Make sure to select every game in here and click on restore and click on yes here if you have to, and then just wait for all of the games here to restore. It might take you a couple of minutes to a couple of seconds, of course. And try this and then go back and try once again, and hopefully now it's going to be fixed for you as well.